Lapas talaga naman.
Sobra kang purma.
I was wrong when I held you.
Ano ba yun?
Do you keep thinking to me?
Ano moment?
I don't care about the past.
Rap to, rap.
I just want the love that lasts. There's no way to keep this back together. I must forgive you. You must forgive me. If
Pakita mo yung buong ano. Mamaya video mo, cover tayo.
the way they used to
Jinx,
be.
malamig kasi kaya ayaw. Hindi talaga
There's no sense in going over and over, seeing that as before. So let not bring the past up anymore.
Boom! Rob, yaba, ikaw na. Eh, tignan niyo kasi.
Out of all the
Kaya pa di.
Ano yung baka na ito?
so we knew to never really love you. To forgive is to forget. You give
Huwag mo sana nakalin eh. Yak kasi magampayan.
Super zoom.
Ikaw, madami na uso.
You
Hi, Sarap.
must forgive.
Say hi! Hey, Rob!
If you think the way they used to be, there's no sense in over and over and over. Seems like time before.
Hindi mo po eh.
So let them be the past
Super ano, super higo. Super higo pa yan. Higo. Pero,
Ayos na ba tayo dyan?
I must forgive you, and you must forgive me too. If the only thing is left that we have tried to do,
special job ko na
one thing I'm sure what I never tried before. Let's not
ibahin ko din ang tapos ang kuya natin yan. Yan po,
of
ano po eh.
anymore.
Ano? Oo. Say natin. Okay, tapugan mo. Hindi, ginagawa niya.
Yeah.
Uy, parang iba din pala yun.